anything free is worth it, right? I just don't know if the value is truly $100 like they say. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the free Target baby box you get once you start a registry with Target to see if it's worth it. They advertise that this is worth $100, so let's see if the value was really $100. All you have to do to get this is create a registry for Target. I did it through my Target app, and no one even has to buy anything from your registry. All you have to do is create a registry and then request the free gift. So why not? My main registry is through Babylist, so I doubt that anyone is even going to use my Target registry. I actually haven't even sent it out, and I still was able to snag this free gift bag. So let's see if it's worth the time. Looks like there's a good amount of stuff in here. We got some healthy baby diapers, one sample pack of these, a sample pack of Millie Moon diapers. There's 2 diapers in here. Let's see, what's this? Okay, some sample wipes. I think these will be great for the baby bag. From Honest, actually I need to check the ingredients, make sure these are toxic free. I'm trying to do like as toxic free as I can. So if so, I will use these Honest wipes in the diaper bag, and then we got some water wipes also. Let me see. They both say there's 10 in each pack of these, so these might be helpful. Some Palmer's Cocoa Butter Stretch Mark Cream, definitely can use this. Some breast milk storage bags and nursing pads. I got one of these in my Amazon. Was it Amazon? It's not Amazon. I have not got Amazon yet, because actually you have to have Amazon Prime to get their free box. I don't know if I'm going to use my sister's Amazon Prime just to see what's in there, or just not do it at all, because I got one of these in my Babylist free box. So, bottle of formula. I heard this brand's pretty good. I'm going to be doing breastfeeding, so I probably won't need this. Maybe I'll donate it. Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. The sample bottle here. We actually have some of these already. This one looks like it's plastic, and I prefer glass, so we will probably donate this as well. Another cute little bottle here. It's also plastic, so I'll probably donate. Oh, I shouldn't have opened it. Oh man. Well, it still looks new. I'll probably find somewhere to donate this bottle to. This is cute. Oh, a 3rd bottle. Shout out to three bottles. And the I'm not gonna open this one because this one is also plastic, but it looks like a decent size bottle for newborns. Ooh, focus. Anti-colic. I feel like everybody's on their anti-colic vibe. I don't know if that was always the case, or I'm just now hearing about this because I'm pregnant and I didn't care or pay attention to it before, but all the bottles are like anti-colic. Whatever. And we got some little sample baby lotions. My lotion of choice is Pipette, so these can be for emergencies or the diaper bag. Also have some plant-based baby detergent. I'll definitely check this out. We don't really have a detergent or dish soap, sorry. Actually, this is a wipe. I can't even freaking read the package, child. this is the dish soap. So we actually do need, I guess, a bottle of dish soap for baby. And then this is a wipe. So you get some dish soap and some wipe from there. And some boogie wipes. What's the difference between these and regular wipes? I don't know. But we got one. We'll try it out. And we'll rate it 1 to 10. And then the last thing is some gripe water. A simple gripe water. This may come in use. We'll see. And that is it for the free Target bag. I don't know. Did that add up to $100? Possibly with the bottle. I don't think so. I don't. But it's some free goodies. I think it's worth it. So make your Target registry. Like I said, you don't gotta send it to nobody. Nobody gotta buy anything off of it. I think it took like 2 weeks for the free baby box offer to come through the app after I made the registry. And then I just ordered it and it shipped straight to my house. I actually tried to get it in person, the free bag in person at my local Target, and they said they don't do that anymore. So you have to go through the app or the website, whatever you use, and order the free gift, and they ship it straight to your house. I can't remember if shipping was also free, but I can double check that and put it in the caption or in the description if shipping was free. But if you have a baby on the way and you like little goodies, I think it's worth it. Anything free is worth it, right? I just don't know if the value is truly $100 like they say, but there is some value there. So do with that what you wish. Hopefully you guys are already subscribed. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. There'll be some more baby content, but I will not skimp on the fashion in here too. All that stuff is coming back. So yeah, leave a comment, leave a like, and see y'all soon. Bye. Whew.